I recently picked up this 2015 Audi A4 and I noticed that the door actually sinks in quite a bit. I actually did a car crash history report or whatever the hell you call it. Found out that this thing was T-boned from all sides and it's all messed up. So I'm gonna show you guys how to fix this right here. All you gotta do, see this right here? This is called a door striker. And as you guys can tell, it used to sit right here along this dirty edge, and it used to sit up a little bit higher. So basically, when you shut the door, this right here goes inside of this and locks it in place. So the only thing I gotta do is loosen up these two bolts and pull this forward, tighten the bolts down, and it'll sit flush. Crack these loose. Oh, that was already loose. That should be way tighter than that. Crack that loose. You just want to crack them loose enough so that way you can wiggle this around. Right. It's definitely a lot better, but I want it to be flush, but it's not going to get flush, so that's good enough.